This is my next project. Oh wow, the screws are pulled out of that one. Oh dear, it's worse than I remember it. Universal trimmer, number 3B, W.R.Fox. It's got patterns written on there, but nothing else. Right, okay, let's get this out. Right, that's the handle, which I know is meant to be separate. Well, that looks like it's just a clean-up job. That's not too bad. Oh dear, look at that. There's the blades on that. Oh, nasty. Let me bring you in a bit. Right. Now, what this is a trimmer for, well, I believe it was for skirting board, but I guess it could be used for anything. And basically, these are guillotine blades that go up and down, or they go left and right, I think. I had seen it working once before. I must have been quite young at the time. Yes, it looks like it goes left and right. The back of it doesn't look too bad. But as for the rest of it, the Fox Machine Company. Right, let's bar brush all this loose stuff off. As you can see, well, hopefully you can see, this is actually a genuine restoration. It's not one of those shit-ass ones where they've put something outside for a few weeks to go rusty and then they say, oh, look at the condition of this is really bad. Tossers they are, all of them. They're not genuine restorers, they're just video makers that pretend they're something that they're not. So I can't abide them videos. Cool dear. Now, hopefully with the machinery that I've got, I will be able to bring this back to life. Right, well that's got rid of the loose stuff. These poor old blades are the thing that's gonna, I suppose, even if I did actually have to machine the outside of the blade, I've got shim material to pack it back out again. Because they are quite grubby. Right, let's see if these screws will come undone. I'd imagine it's UNC. Ah, look. Paper. So that's a paper shim, effectively. Right, that's interesting. Okay. Right. Now, this is probably the first video in which I'm going to actually post before I've actually completed what I'm doing. Normally, all of my videos, I do everything done and dusted, project's finished, before I put the first video out. As I've just said, this is December the 1st, I think. I'm recording this, so I'll try and get this one out soon. Although at the moment I can't upload any videos for some reason or other. I'm uploading them and they just will not process at YouTube's end, which is extremely frustrating. So the questions are what to do. The bulk of the cast iron I think I can just clean up. The blades are the biggest thing, because I don't know if you can really see quite how bad they are. They really are quite nasty. So how would you go about cleaning these up?